In today's video, I will walk you through how to change language on Coingecko. To get started, open a web browser and go to Coingecko. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your account credentials. After you have signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which appears as a gear icon. There you will see options like language, currency, and dark mode. When the settings menu opens, click on the language option. This will open a list of available languages that you can choose from. Browse through the list and select the language you want to use for your display language. You can also use the search bar to find the language you prefer. Once you find your preferred language, click on it. As soon as you make your selection, your display language will be changed to the language you selected, and it will automatically save the language you choose in your account. Whether you open your account on web browser or in mobile app, the language you choose will stay as it is. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly change the display language on your Coingecko account.